Welcome back to YUGVIR'S cooking channel, YUGVIR'S kitchen. Today we are going to make a stir-fry tofu recipe. Here's what we need. Of course we need some firm tofu, oyster sauce, honey, black vinegar, light soy sauce, garlic and sesame oil. Let's get started. First I'm going to heat up my pan. And I'm going to let it heat it up for a while. Now it's heated up a little bit. I'm going to add some oil. I think that's enough oil. Now I'm going to add in the tofu. Now while that's heating up, we are going to start with our sauce. While this tofu is cooking, let's get started on sauce. I'm going to take my sesame oil, oyster sauce. I'm using the vegetarian oyster sauce because I'm vegetarian. I'm going to add in my light soy sauce, black vinegar, garlic and honey. You can use sugar, but my dentist said not to take sugar and take jaggery, honey and the healthy protein of sugar. So I'm going to use honey, but if you want to use sugar, you can. I'm going to get a nice whisk. And don't forget to keep turning the tofu or else it'll burn. Now the tofu is done as well. I'm going to pour this sauce on the tofu. I'll off my gas. Now this is done. Let's get ready on our stir-fry vegetables. I'm going to keep this aside and get ready for my stir-fry vegetables. Let's get started on our stir-fry vegetable pot. Here's what we need. Broccoli and mushroom. You can use any vegetables like pak choy, baby corn. But I'm only using broccoli and mushroom because they are my favorite. Vinegar, oil, soya sauce, garlic and ginger and salt and pepper. Let's get started. I'm going to switch on my gas. And I'm going to put a drizzle of oil. When the oil is heated up, we are going to add the ginger and the garlic. I think my oil is heated up, so I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. I'm going to saute it nicely. Now I'm getting the smell of the ginger and garlic. I'm going to add my broccoli because if you're will cook faster. I think only 3 drops of water is fine. To overcook the vegetables, you want a slight crunch to the vegetables. But if you want to overcook the vegetables, you can. But I don't like it like that. I'm going to not overcook it and get the crunchy taste. Broccoli has become a little bit soft, so I'm going to put in my mushroom. Because the mushroom cooks very well, so cooks very fast, so if you are using mushroom, put it right at the end. Now I'm going to add in the soya sauce and salt and pepper for seasoning. Oops, I forgot the vinegar. I think I forgot it because vinegar is like water and you can't see water very well in a white bowl. Oh, this is smelling so good. I think let me turn on off the gas. Now the stir-fry and the tofu is ready. Let's assemble it in a lovely meal. Now the tofu is ready and the stir-fry is ready. Now let's see how we can make this into a nice full meal. We are going to take some rice into a bowl. I'm going to put it in a plate. Oh, wow, look at that rice cutting. Now I'm going to take my sauteed vegetables and put it on one side and the tofu on the other side. I'm putting the tofu like dominoes. I think that's enough tofu. Now I'm going to put the extra sauce on my rice. And spring onions. And some sesame seeds. I'm going to put that on the rice and the spring onions on the tofu. Wow, this is looking so good. Let me taste it. Okay. This is so good. This is so good. I'm going to go on eating some more. This is a complete meal for dinner and it's very healthy because the carbs from the rice, the protein from the tofu, and we know vegetables are good for our body. Do try this recipe out. This is one of my favorite recipes. Subscribe to my channel YUGVIR'S Kitchen for more recipes coming up every Saturday. Bye bye everyone. See you next time.